Hi, so I'm here with Chris Whiting, Category Manager from Synergy Flavours, and they're the ESSNA Member of the Month for September. Hi, Chris.
Hi, Rachel. Thanks for having us on.
Welcome. So first things first, can you tell me a bit about Synergy Flavours? What is it that you guys do?
Sure. So Synergy is a leading global supplier of flavouring ingredients. So that essentially means that we supply everything from flavours, so natural, artificial, liquids, powders. We supply things like extracts, essences, concentrates. We also have a savoury portfolio as well with things like herbs and spice blends and cooking paste. So really quite a broad portfolio of flavour solutions, essentially. We're also part of the wider Carberry Group. So Carberry are a dairy cooperative based in West Cork in Ireland, and they specialise in the supply of cheese, but also whey proteins such as isolates and hydrolysates. So they would supply these into a number of nutrition categories, but particularly the specialist sports nutrition industry. And being part of the Carberry Group puts us in quite a unique position as a flavour house. For one, we have this very close working relationship with them, which means that we have decades of expertise in the team of working and flavouring proteins. But it also means that we have access to their dairy raw material stream, which allows us to create quite unique dairy flavours, which use these raw materials in combination with processes like enzyme modifications and fermentation. And this allows us to create very concentrated and very authentic dairy flavours.
Really interesting. And what about innovation? What is something Synergy is doing at the moment that's innovative?
Yes, so I briefly mentioned the dairy platform, and this is a really exciting and innovative area for us. At Synergy, we're always looking at ways that we can elevate ourselves above being just a typical flavour supplier, and this is one that we feel really sets us apart. We've launched a range of functional flavour ingredients for whey proteins, and this really leverages that dairy technology to great effect. So these flavours deliver several desirable attributes in whey proteins. They can be used for creamy taste and texture, they can be used for masking, and they can also be used for improving flavour delivery. Primarily, they deliver creamy taste and creamy texture, which is always a positive in whey protein products. So they're great for adding indulgence or for adding a dairy profile to things like cookies and cream, where obviously dairy is an integral part of the flavour. And the improved creaminess is also great for kind of lifting the overall taste experience of these products, making them more premium, making them more indulgent. At the same time, they also offer functionalities, particularly in some of the advanced proteins such as WPI and WPH, which might have more challenging taste profiles when compared to whey protein concentrate. So WPI is typically more astringent. It's usually more like cardboardy. It's definitely a lot thinner than whey protein concentrate. And so by adding our ingredient, you can nullify some of these off notes and improve the overall texture by making it thicker without the use of gums. It's a product that we're really excited about. It obviously has applications across a number of different product types. It's declarable on pack as natural flavour, which is always a positive. And it's quite low dose rate. You're using this at maybe a fraction of a percentage. So you're not going to have a significant impact on your kind of macronutrients. So you're not going to lose too much protein concentration by including this in your product. So it's something that we're really excited to bring to market. We've done a significant amount of consumer research, which supports the idea that end users of these products are looking for more indulgent, creamy whey protein products. And our sensory studies show that these products can really deliver that.
Sounds really exciting. What about the future? What is Synergy Flavours doing next?
Yeah, so for the plan for us is to really keep trying to push the boundaries of what's possible in the nutrition category. We're continuing to invest heavily from a research and development point of view in this space. Last year, we launched our Paired to Perfection research project, where we analysed the flavour chemical makeup of key plant-based protein sources to really understand the inherent flavour challenges presented by these protein sources, and then develop things like maskers and tailored solutions. And so that's a platform that we're looking to continue in the new year. We're constantly looking at new trending protein sources that are coming onto the market, and then looking at how we can understand those and how we can flavour them. We're also looking to continue our Flavours of the Future research programme, which is probably our most comprehensive market report as a business. we look into a number of trending regions across the globe and try and identify new and exciting flavours which we think could feed into the sports nutrition category and sort of be the next thing in other regions.
Brilliant. Thank you, Chris. It was great to meet you.
Thanks, and you.